Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Rogue remote battery. First, identify your specific key fob model to ensure you have the correct replacement battery. You'll typically need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to open the case. Most Nissan Rogue remotes use a CR2032 coin cell battery, so have one ready before you begin. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch or slot along the edge of your remote. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver or a coin into this opening. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Take your time and avoid using excessive force to prevent damaging the casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, note which side is facing up, usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver or a small tool. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Once reassembled, test your remote's functionality by locking and unlocking your Nissan Rogue. This confirms the new battery is working correctly. Before you go, remember to check the description below for the link to those Little Trees Black Ice air fresheners, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.